This is a 2023 BMW K1600B Grand America. This is one of BMW's hot rod touring bikes. This bike is built for speed and built for comfort for your next cross-country trip. Just an incredible machine. It's got the 1600cc six-cylinder engine that runs like a sewing machine, just smooth as can be, 6-speed transmission. This bike has 5,237 miles on the odometer. It's not due for a service for another 2,000 miles. It has new tires front and rear. This bike is ready to go. Now that six-cylinder engine pumps out approximately 160 horsepower and approximately 130 pounds of torque. So you're not lacking for power. You can cruise all day at whatever speed you like with you and your passenger and all your gear. Great traveling bike. And being a BMW, it is nicely equipped. One of the key features on this bike that I like is the seat has been replaced, the stock seat, with the BMW Option 719 seat, which is super comfortable compared to the stock seat. It's dual heated, separate controls for you and your passenger. Nice big fuel tank, about 7 gallons. You have a lot of range. Aircraft style fuel door. Adjustable levers. A beverage holder has been added. Also risers for the handlebars to get you in a little more upright position for better comfort when you are out on the road. There's a little storage compartment right up here where you can put your phone and integrate it into the system, or you can Bluetooth it into the system for your music. Nice speaker system up here in the front on each side. And then on the tour pack, speakers on each side. So you get really good sound out of this bike. Nice, big, comfortable backrest for your passenger. They'll really like that. The windshield has been changed. It's a slightly tinted windshield, and I can't read the name on it. Maybe you can. But it has a flare to the sides and the top, so you get a lot better wind protection than with the stock one. LED headlights, and it does also have the adaptive headlight, which helps you for cornering. Driving lights, they're LED. Pro ABS brakes. Good looking wheels. Now the Aeroflow wind deflectors have been added to give you a little bit better wind protection. Floorboards for highway pegs, and underneath it is a engine guard. Now a real cool feature that's been added to this bike is the heel toe shifter. Some people like a heel shifter, some don't, but you can use it either way. The little side covers have been added to cover up a hole that goes all the way through the frame there to one side to the other. It makes it look a lot cleaner. You can lock the tour pack and the saddlebags with the key fob, or there's a central locking button up on the handlebars. Heated grips. There's the stereo controls for your favorites. And then on the screen that we'll go over here in just a minute, you can do XM Sirius radio, AM, FM, Bluetooth your music into it. Just a really beautiful bike. In excellent condition. Ready for the highway. Now that 10 1/4 inch digital screen, you can change just about every setting you want on this bike. There's a menu button here and then a wheel here for scrolling through and then entering. But you can change the riding mode on this from a rain, touring, sport, and that affects the map on the engine and also the suspension. Also, it has suspension modes to where you can set it for one person with luggage, two people luggage. It also has ride modes, dynamic, which is full map and full power, rain and road. So you can find the sweet spot of how you want to ride this bike. Just an absolutely beautiful color, ready for the highway. For information on how to put this beautiful 2023 BMW K1600B Grand American in your garage, please call Will at Dream Cycles USA. Can be reached at 417-343-3696. Can be found on the web at www.dreamcyclesusa.com. Our prices are out the door. I don't charge the prep fees and the setup fees and the destination fees and the title fees and the dock fees and all that hooey. Just a good, honest, out-the-door price that will save you thousands of dollars off a new one or even going to a boutique BMW dealership. We'll slap a temp tag on the back for you, so fly in. We'll pick you up at the airport here in Springfield. Head you on your way. Have a great ride home. If we can help, give us a call. Thank you for watching our video.